Wait, but first. So I got this watermelon, right? I'm gonna eat it, and then I realized this is the only knife I've got. So I thought it'd be kind of funny just to do a video, but we're gonna make it work. Oh, it's working really well. Ooh. Just gonna move to my car, guys. Okay, so I don't know how this is definitely not how you open a watermelon, but dude, I'm just gonna eat it with a spoon. Pretty good, actually. Fun fact about this countertop here. My hometown is this thing called bulk trash picking. Someone left it on the side of the road, put it in the back. It fits great. Also, my girlfriend's with me. Eliza. Say hello.
Hello.
Look at what she's painting. Oh my god, that's so good. It's leaking, isn't it?
I know, I saw.
Keep eating my watermelon, but catch you next time.